Question 22 about mass, volume and density, that triangle that you might have been familiar with from science. So the mass of solid A is 6 times the mass of solid B, and the volume of solid A is 3 times the volume of solid B. So the density of solid A is how many times the density of solid B? So a lot of words in there, a lot of things to think about. The only numbers we've been given is the 6 and the 3. So we could think that in here we were going to do 6 divided by 3, 6 times 3, 6 add 3, 6 take away 3, one of those answers. If we look, it says the mass of solid A, so the mass is on top, 6, divided by the volume. The volume of solid A is 3 times the volume of solid B, so 6 divided by 3, which ends up giving you 2. So it's 2 times the density of solid B. Part B in this one, we've got average speed formula. So average speed is distance divided by time. If the distance is halved and the time is doubled, what happens to the average speed? So here, I would be inclined, rather than sort of guessing or thinking, oh, doubling might be times by 2 and just circling an answer, I would use actual numbers to try and work it out. I know it's only worth 1 mark, but better to get that mark properly than to just guess and lose it. So my example, I'm going to use my distance as being 10 miles and my time as being 1 hour. So my average speed would be distance divided by time, so 10 divided by 1, so 10 miles per hour for that first one. If I did what it says in the question, if the distance is half, so d now equals 5, and the time is double, so the time is now 2 hours, my speed is going to be distance divided by time, so 5 divided by 2, so that's 2.5 miles per hour. Look what happens to the speed there, so 10 to get to 2.5, I need to divide it by 4, so the average speed is divided by 4.